This practice has been in existence for about 35 years in the Milwaukee area. Our current location, 7.5 years. Prior to that, 28 years at a different location in Milwaukee. I'm proud to say that our reputation is that we're a firm that gives each client what they need, and that we are known throughout Wisconsin as a trial firm. That is to say that every client's case we prepare as if it was going through a full trial. Our top priority is seeing to it that each client receives exactly what the particular situation they find themselves in requires in order for that client to receive full justice under the law. Every client at Domnitz & Kemp can expect the kind of hands-on and personal service that their particular situation requires. We run an efficient practice, one that is prepared to take every case to trial if necessary, but one that is prepared to resolve cases for clients in the settlement stage if that results in that client receiving everything they deserve under the law.